Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to show you this 2013 Porsche 911 Carrera S. The client came in because the PCM, the radio itself, was not working. So we upgraded the technology to a modern Apple CarPlay radio, and we just want to walk you through the final product. So in this particular vehicle, this is the PCM. Now, these are notorious for going bad on these cars, causing glitches, and especially it's just because of the age, right? So you figure it's roughly at this point, it's a 10-year-old radio, and the technology is very outdated. Plus you have no Apple CarPlay, no Android Auto. In this particular car, the car had no backup camera. So now with this technology upgrade, we have all those things. So we have Apple CarPlay, AM/FM radio, obviously. We added in a backup camera, which we can show you right here. Every time you put it in reverse, the unit goes automatically into the backup camera. We also have a camera button. So the nice thing on this is you can use it as a rear view mirror. So you can in essence drive with the backup camera on, because these cars are obviously very low and wide and you don't have a really good view out of the rear view mirror. So by having the cam on, you can see directly behind the video because the camera is actually mounted just above the license plate. We'll show you that in a minute. We use a plate cam so that we don't have to drill any holes into the vehicle, and it looks like as if it came with the car. It's really difficult to tell where the camera actually is. The nice thing is obviously now everything works. The radios in this particular car, this is a Bose vehicle, so it has the Bose speaker system. So we use a special interface which allows us to retain all the factory amplifier. We don't cut any of the wiring, so if we ever have to return the car back to stock, we can. Now, the other thing that we do different over a lot of the shops is these are actual genuine Porsche parts. So this is actually a Porsche part from Porsche themselves directly. The mounting cage, we'll show you some video. The mounting cage, the bezel, everything is an actual Porsche part ordered directly from the dealership. The nice thing is that the fit and finish is amazing. The color obviously matches perfectly, and obviously it has the Porsche logo stamped on it. But more than that is the metal cage that secures the radio to the car, literally as if it came from the factory that way. So we want to do this at the highest level, but now you have much better technology, right? So you're able to use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all those functions, and the sound is better because the source unit is better. So the overall sound of the vehicle actually improves as well. So we're obviously covering the plate because, you know, for the client's privacy, but the plate frame is actually this black frame here, and that's the backup camera. So the nice thing about this backup camera is obviously we don't have to drill a hole in the bumper either next to the plate or here kind of sticking down and make another hole in the vehicle. The other nice thing is this unit has two particular set screws here. You loosen those up, and that allows you to tilt the camera down so that you can see more of the bumper, or straight back, so it's more of a rear view mirror. We typically like to put it somewhere in the middle where we can see the bumper but still have as much possible view behind us. And the nice thing about that is obviously it's adjustable because a lot of the cameras are fixed. So once you mount it, whatever the view is, that's what it is. With this particular unit, you can change it at any time. So again, really easy, really flexible. The other nice thing that we like about this particular unit is it has a really small cable with a really small disconnect. So if you watch any of our stuff, you know that serviceability is huge for us, right? So even the cameras that we use, we like to buy the ones that have a connector. So this way, if Porsche ever has to remove the bumper, because they do quite frequently to do service on the engine, it's literally, instead of cutting the wire, they can just unplug it, and then when they go to put the bumper back on, just plug the camera right back in. So again, everything that we do, we try to do it so that as if it came with the vehicle, so that the car or the dealership or the body shop, anybody that services the vehicle will not struggle, including ourselves, obviously. So this is one of the main reasons that we do things the way that we do. If you have an older vehicle with an antiquated radio or technology system in it, or you're just tired of it and want to upgrade to the most modern technology, give us a text at 773-489-7469. Thanks a lot for watching.